Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Everyone open the camera please. At 9:05 I will start the quiz. Are you all ready? Okay. Let all the students join. Have you prepared all the topics? Okay. Let's see who will get the good score. You have 25 minutes with you. It's the first quiz. You can repeat this quiz, but afterward, whatever quiz I will be taking now, you cannot repeat that. But today quiz you can repeat. Fine. You have 25 minutes. I will start quiz at 9:05. Let all the students join the class. I'll be starting the quiz at 9:05. And it will end at 9:30. Exact 9:30. Let all the students join. I will share the link. I'm also sharing the link in WhatsApp group. Your timing start now. I have shared the quiz link in WhatsApp group. All of you open the link. I have shared the quiz link in WhatsApp group. Everyone, your time starts now. Start your quiz. Read the question carefully and select the correct answer. You have to select the appropriate answer. Quickly open the link which I have shared in WhatsApp group and start doing the quiz. Everyone open the camera. Start your quiz. Hurry up, hurry up. I'm checking responses. The link I have shared in WhatsApp group. Quickly open it. Read the question carefully and select the appropriate answer. Please, Ayan, Amsal, Anaya, Rafi, open camera. Did you get the link? Everyone raise the hand. Rafi, you got the link? Very good. Asghar got it? Asghar, Danish, did you get it?
Yes, miss, हम कर रहे हैं quiz.
Okay. Carefully attempt, please. Let me count the counting now. Tick, tick, 1. Tick, tick, 2. Enjoy the online quiz, all of you. You have 28 minutes more with you. जी teacher.
आई हूँ तो आप मुझे समझा देंगी कि क्या हो रहा था क्लास में?
My dear, open the quiz link I have shared in WhatsApp group and start doing it.
Okay, wait, teacher.
As we do in class now, the tenses quiz, you have to select the correct answer. I have given 10 MCQs. Select, read the sentence carefully and correct answer you have to select. Every sentence has 1 marks.
Okay, teacher. Thank you.
Pleasure, bete. I'm also reading the sentence for you all. Let more students join. Who will do first? They will become the star. So quickly fill out your test. First of all, you have to write your complete name. Then you have to select your class. Then you have to write today's date. Fine. Date in words. Write June 25th, 2020. Complete date. Capital J, then small letters में UNE, June 25th to 5/25th, 2020 date. In this manner, you will be writing the date. Now select the appropriate answer. She dashed cold, full stop. I will lend her my coat. What will come? Is looking, looks, was looking. Right over there, don't announce your answer. Just do it. Do not announce it. Number 2, when the phone rang, comma, she dashed a letter. Number 1, was writing, write letter, will write. Select the correct option. Number 3, this time tomorrow I dash on the beach. Am lying, will lie, will be lying. Select the correct option.
टीचर
Yes,
टीचर क्या कहते हैं लैंड की मीनिंग क्या है LEND
where are you? 1. In which option you are? It is lend, to give someone something. If I'm lending something, it means I'm giving something to someone. Just like I'm borrowing it, as we borrow from someone, so we can ask someone else to give something to us. Fine. For example, I'm requesting my sister to lend me his camera. Are you getting it?
Teacher.
जी बेटे.
टीचर मेरा हो गया, मेरे 10 out of 9 है.
Very good, Asghar. Now you should message me in chat right now your score. Write your name, your class, your section, your score in chat quickly. And don't announce answer. Doing by yourself now. Open camera, all of you. Raise the hand, all of you. If you wish to ask, raise the hand.
Miss Zainab.
The link I have shared in WhatsApp quiz. Yes, my dear Miss Zainab. Ji bete, raise the hand and then ask the question. The quiz link I have shared in WhatsApp group. Everyone open camera. Khazar Danish Ali Salman, please open camera. Reja, please open camera. Anaya, all of you bete, open camera. Start doing it. Reja. Okay, you wish to ask something, Danish. Unmute yourself.
बस मेरा हो गया.
Okay, write your score in chat. Your name, section, present teacher, your score. Quickly. Everyone should message their score to me. I want the score. Your name, your score, open camera. Richard, don't close camera, Jahan. It's mean you are taking the help of someone. I will minus the marking. Listen carefully, I will minus the marking. Everyone should open the camera. Unmute Zayan yourself. Khizr Danish, I will not accept your quiz.
टीचर मैं इसलिए नहीं खोल सकता क्योंकि मेरा जो चार्जिंग है वो नहीं करता। उसके बाद जैसे मैं वीडियो खोलता हूँ अपनी तरफ करता हूँ तो जैसे कैमरा रखना पड़ता है तो उसकी वजह से अभी भी चार्ज नहीं कर रहा।
Okay, quickly do out. Fine, beta, it's okay. Khizr Danish, I will not accept. Danish, beta, you are late. We have to start the lecture as well. So quickly, please. Rafi, you wish to ask? Yes. Unmute yourself. Think about that you are in the class right now in school and you are
Teacher?
giving test. Come on,
टीचर
quickly.
मेरा कोई हो चुका है।
Then submit the score in chat quickly.
मिस हाँ मेरे 9 मार्क्स आए।
Send me in chat your name, your class, section, and the number. Quickly. Send your score in chat. Only 6 students message me. Everyone should message me their score. Kindly message the score to me. Quickly. Whosoever has done.
मिस
G miss.
हम उसको आपके मैसेज कैसे करें? फोन से तस्वीर खींच के?
No, mera beta. Look at the Zoom list. Here you have the participant list.
Yes.
So near participant list, there is a chat option.
Yes.
Go to chat option and write the message. Write Rafi 6 red. Your score. Got it?
Yes.
Very good. Amsal, quickly do out. Teacher waiting for you. You have 10 minutes more with you. Amsal, send your score. Yes, beta, unmute yourself. Anaya, done?
Yes, I have done the test. I am sending you my marks.
Okay, quickly send. Umara, send your score, please. Raim, send your score. Abia Imran joining late. Abia Imran, we already have started the quiz. You are joining late, my dear Abia. We already have started the quiz. Abia, quickly start doing quiz. The link I have shared in WhatsApp group. Start doing the quiz. Abia, the link I have shared in WhatsApp group. The link I have shared in WhatsApp group, open that and start doing the quiz. Abia, unmute yourself quickly. Unmute.
Teacher, kindly send in this chat because I cannot do in the WhatsApp.
Beta, I have shared the link in WhatsApp group.
Teacher, send in chat also, in Zoom chat.
Okay, wait, I'm sending.
Okay.
Did you receive, Abia?
No. I don't.
Abia, now you received?
Yes.
Everyone start doing. Shahraza, unmute yourself.
Yes, I don't get it.
Yes, my dear.
I don't get link.
You don't get link. So why don't you share quickly? I've shared the link in WhatsApp group.
Yes, आ गई मेरे पास भी.
Quickly. I have shared over here in Zoom as well.
Yes.
Everyone, you have 10 minutes more with you. I'm waiting for more responses.
Like the answer she is looked.
Tick, tick, 1. Tick, tick, 2. You have 10 minutes more with you. Yes, Amsal. Unmute yourself.
Yes, I will send you my score.
Okay. Abdullah Farhan, ask the question. Unmute yourself.
Did you got my score?
Yes, beta. Have you messaged me in chat?
Yes.
Very good. Danish, unmute yourself. Unmute.
Miss, did you get my score?
Yes, I got it, dear. Don't share it. Hide your score.
Comes as soon as
Yes, my dear Asghar, unmute yourself. Let me check who got the 10 out of 10. I'm waiting.
मेरे मिस
Saqib
10 आउट ऑफ
now
10
joining
आने
us.
वाले थे, फिर मैंने वो चेंज कर दिया, उसकी वजह से मेरा
Okay.
कट गया.
You know, you are doing the first time, na, so I allowed you all to do 2 times.
Work hard and he
Anna, do it.
वो वाला फिर मैंने उसको चेंज कर दिया.
Okay.
dash.
Next time, don't change it. Okay, ji? Only one time you have to attempt the quiz. Okay, Saqib, now you are joining. We already have started the quiz. I'm waiting for the scores. So many responses I'm getting. Asghar done.
Speak
MashaAllah, Abdullah Farhan done.
dash
Danish
you
done.
come to market
Sam done. Rafi
tomorrow.
done. MashaAllah. Very good.
Dash you come dash
The star student, very nice.
they
Quickly complete your quiz. You have 9 minutes. Anaya, I'm watching you. Don't talk to anyone. You are doing the class test. Do not talk to anyone. Saqib, open the camera. Reja, Aryan, please. In this manner, I will not accept your quiz. Everyone look at the camera. Sit straight and be attentive. I'm watching you. Otherwise, I will think someone else is filling. You are not doing so. Saqib, listen it carefully. You are supposed to open camera. Otherwise, teacher will not mark it. ठीक है जी? Good job, Anaya. But you should sit properly. If you have done, I got the message. I know so many students have done the class test. But now wait for others, my dear. Excellent, Sinan. Message in chat, in Zoom chat, do message me. Everyone send your score in Zoom chat. G Asghar.
वैसे स्टार स्टूडेंट कौन है?
Who will get 10 out of 10? Who did
किस
first?
क्या?
Asghar, Danish, Anaya, who had done first? Sinan, Abdullah Farhan, whosoever have done it 10 minutes before, they all are a star, mashallah. Reja also became the star. More students are doing. Who will do 5 minutes before na? They will become the star. I will write their name in. Okay. Excellent score. Wow. Danish, write your score. Rafe, I want the score. Very good, Rafe. Excellent job. Amsal, excellent job. You also became a star. Okay, Ali Salman. Ali Salman, you can do again. Try it again, please. Yusra, quickly do out. Teacher waiting for your response. You have 5 minutes more with you. I'm reading the sentences for you all to make it more easy for you. Just think that you are in the class right now. Fine. I'm making things more easy for you. Okay. She dashed cold, full stop. I will lend her my coat. Select the correct option. Is looking, looks, was looking. What will come? You have to select. When the phone rang, comma, she dashed a letter. Was writing, right, will write. What will come? You will select. This time tomorrow, I dash on the beach. Am lying, will lie, will be lying. My aunt dashed in the park when I met her. Walking, walked, was looking. Sorry, was walking. He will come as soon as he dashed the news. Hears, will have heard, will hear. If he works at, he dash gets success. Is, will, am. Ali dashed absent yesterday. Is, will, was. He always dashed truth. Speak, speaks, will speak. Dash, you come to market tomorrow. Are, will, is. Select the appropriate answer. They dash to the cinema whenever they can. Go, have gone. Or are going. Select the appropriate answer and send your score in chat. Quickly do out. Teacher waiting for the scores. You have 5 more minutes. After that, I will stop taking the response. I will lock it. Quickly. 5 minutes more. Saqib, open camera. Faizan joined us today. Faizan, open camera after a long time, my dear. Where were you? Open camera. Open the camera. Who is at the back? The link we already have. Share, Moise. Start doing the quiz. You have 6 minutes with you. The link I have shared in WhatsApp group, over here in chat as well. Start doing the quiz. Start the quiz. Yusra, you can attempt next time. Again open and again do it. And then send the scores to me. No issue. I know there is electricity and internet connection problem. You all are facing it. I can understand the issue, bete. I also face this issue. Shahraza, remove this virtual display, please. Again, write your name section. Again, fill out. Open. Again, open it. Yes, Moise, unmute yourself. The link I have shared in chat.
Miss, I have done the quiz. Miss, मेरे 8 marks आए.
Submit the score in chat.
Yes,
Write your score in chat.
I submit, Miss, मेरे 8 marks आए.
Very good. Have you messaged me? Mohit, send me your score in chat.
Yes.
In Zoom chat, send me your score.
Or
Quickly do out. But everyone try to be punctual who are joining the class late. It's not good. You all should join the class on time. You know, we are having the assessment today, no? It's a kind of class test. This marks I will include in the term test. So everyone should send the score to me. Quickly do out. You have 3 minutes more with you. So many students joined, but I'm not getting all the responses. Why, bete? Quickly do out. Yes, my dear Yusra. Yes, bete Yusra, what happened? Bete, aap again, you can submit again the quiz to me. No issue. Again, open the link. Again, do out so. Again, open the form and do out. Don't call me during the class time, Yusra. Try not to call me during the class time. I already have shared the link in WhatsApp group, Ali Salman. You got the link, Ali Salman? Unmute yourself. Ali Salman, unmute.
यस मैम मैं मिल चुकी है लेकिन ये मैं पूछना था कि करना कैसे 2 दफा मेरा तो हो ही नहीं रहा
Bete, close. If you already had submitted it, now close that. Then open the new window. Again, open the link. Then it will appear again. Quickly start doing it. I'm waiting for the responses. Soon I'll be announcing the result. 2 minutes more. 22 students submitted it to me up till now. I want more students to submit. Start doing it. I'm waiting, students. I want more responses. Ali Salman, 2 more minutes. Yusra, close the browser, close the link. If you already had submitted, then open the link in browser and then start again. Again, I'm repeating it. Your class time is about to end. Only 1 minute, 2 minutes are left. Ask the question if you wish to ask something. Raise the hand and ask the question. Are you facing any kind of problem? Yes, Abhiya, unmute yourself.
Teacher, did you get my test and my marks?
Yes, I received, my dear.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Are you facing any kind of problem in university? Students, kindly submit your assignment through university, which I have given you. All the sentences, all vocabulary, all idiom sentences, the letter, you all have to submit it to me. I'm waiting for the assignment, otherwise you will not get the copy mark text marks. Is this clear? You know we have the scoring pattern and you will be getting marks for your assignment. So submit your assignment. Unmute yourself. Shahraza, unmute yourself.
Yes, मैं सारे काम कर.
Then submit through university. I'll be checking your, just like copy work, I'll be checking your assignment. Submit through university. Everyone should submit it to me. I have given 3 assignments to you. Letter writing, sentences, then idiom sentences, and 3 worksheet. Worksheet 1, parts of speech. Worksheet 2, worksheet 3 of verb. And now we are doing worksheet 4. So all these assignments sent through university. Please. I'll extend the homework date more. You can submit the previous assignment. I will extend the date. I know the date is over to submit. I will extend it. Okay, your time. And now, everyone take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, all of you. Now your time and no one will do again. Yes, Abhiya, you wish to ask?
Teacher, I don't know how to submit homework in the university.
Go to university. Fine, sign in. Then go to homework section. In homework section, the homework will appear. Click the book icon and over there you can add file. Allah Hafiz. The time ends now.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Do message your score to me in Zoom chat or in WhatsApp chat. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Take good care of you. Have a wonderful day.